In this video, I will show you how to remove friends in Goodreads. So first of all, open up your app and from here navigate to the More tab all the way at the bottom right. So let's click on this and then click on My Profile. And in your profile, you will see all the friends that you have on top and the persons that you are following. So right now, let's say we want to remove a friend or someone that we're following. This is basically the same work-wise. Then we're going to click on the amount of people that we are following or the friends that we have. You can just switch between the two of them and then select the person that you want to remove as a friend. So let's say the one on top and then click on this. And then you can see that the friendship is pending. But if you see friends in here, just click on friends and then you are able to unfriend this person by just clicking on it and clicking on unfriend. And if you want to unfollow that person, then you just click on following and then you'll be asked to confirm. And once you click on confirm, you will unfollow this person and remove this person as a friend. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing and then I'll see you in the next one.